Hey there, Libras. Welcome to your zodiac reading. So, this is going to be your reading from the May 15th to the 31st. We'll be looking at the energies, the current situation going on with you, and basis that, I'm going to look at an outcome for your situation. And I'm going to be ending the reading with an oracle message for you, just so that we know where you're heading, so that we have clarity. And yeah, so let's begin the reading. I'll first look into the current situation for you. What's going on with you, Libra? The Tower, the Fool, Ace of Pentacles. Okay. So, Libra, your current energies seem to be pretty interesting. I see that you have learned to accept things the way it is and not try to control it. You're in that energy right now. You don't want to label things, you don't want to think around the lines that, okay, this is that. You don't want to get into those energies at this point. You want to take things the way it is. Like, you don't want to be too attached yet too detached. That's a very good way of dealing with things. So at present, I'm seeing that yes, you are being able to get into those energies of not being overly attached to anything. You're walking very free, you're feeling nice, you're feeling happy. And I also feel that finally, with this behavior or with this attitude, you're getting towards stability, which is a good feeling. Okay. And pretty much with this energy, I see a new opportunity come your way, which is quite stable, quite nice, and you feel happy about it. So basically, it's something. It's not magic. It's just that you have stopped trying to control things. Maybe something happened in your life, and you understood that okay, if you control too much, nothing really works out. So you've learned to let go. You've learned to feel happy. You've learned to feel satisfied with what you have. Okay. Now, if this situation resonates with you, let me see how do the next 15 days look for you. May 15th to the 31st. Okay, current situation, I mean, what to expect in these next 15 days. I have the Hierophant. I have the Knight of Cups. I have the Seven of Pentacles. I have the Nine of Pentacles. And I have the Eight of Pentacles. Okay. So, what I see here is that there are some fears in your heart and in your mind about a particular situation. However, on the face of it, or maybe some of you could be thinking that, okay, maybe you're getting married or something and you are still scared that, okay, is this the right choice that I'm making? Is this the right move for my life? All of these thoughts are playing in your mind right now, and I see you a little conflicted here. Okay. But the point is, there's nothing to worry. Okay, it's not like this is a situation that will put you in trouble or something will go wrong. No, I'm not seeing that. So, in the next 15 days, I feel this offer that is coming to you. This requires you to also work on this situation. It's come to you because you've done something, but that doesn't mean that you stop the hard work or you stop what you were doing all this while. Okay, I'm seeing that this is something stable coming your way. All right. And this will bring the desired emotions, the feelings that you've always wanted in your life. Okay, I'm seeing this to be as a fulfillment opportunity, a big time fulfillment opportunity for you. Let me see what else do I pick up from other cards. What else? See, I think for a lot of you, I feel that you might be thinking that, okay, with great difficulty, I've reached this point. Now, is it wise for me to feel emotional or to let go again or something like that? Okay, but it's okay, you can. This is not like a bad situation or something that is not good for you. Let's see what else do we pick up from here for you. The Sun, Seven of Swords. Interesting cards. Get it, I get the point. And here's the Judgment. Okay, so you are still fearful of the past. You think that this is just too good to be true. Should I even rely on this? Like, does this even make sense? Can I rely on this? Is this for me? Is this good for me? But I see you getting the clarity that yes, it's not like, so if you look at this Judgment card, the old things are going away, new fresh things are coming in your life. Okay, so even if you have these thoughts of worry and if there are certain things that are making you anxious, then don't worry. I'm seeing that it's kind of not like, something that will ruin you. No. Okay, it is happiness. Stop kind of thinking this way that no, it's not making sense, it's not for me, I don't know. Like, you're still trying to paint your picture with old colors, which doesn't make sense. Okay, which doesn't make sense at all. I'm just seeing that a kind or a way of living, or basically old things need to go. Simple as that. Like, I mean, it's not like, I know, I understand the fears exist, but it should go away at the right time. It is meant to go away at the right time. Okay, so it is happening for you so that you can let go of this pattern of yours. Okay, now let me pick up a card of advice for you from the Enchanted Map Oracle cards. Okay, so I have, wow, Coming Apart, Rescue and Bone Collector. Okay, so the Bone Collector definitely makes sense here for you. I'm pretty much seeing that you're changing and you have to change. Okay, you can't continue to live like the way you used to. The past cannot be ruling you anymore. This energy of the past ruling you has to go. It has to go so that fresh things can come in. And the point is that this time is like a rescue period for you. So you should embrace it instead of fearing it. But having said that, I know it's easier said than done, but that's how it is. I mean, you can't keep going on like this. Things will fall apart if you keep feeling this way. It's not going to help you. You have to let go of things at the right time. Otherwise, it can become very complicated for you. Okay? And trust the process. That's the line for you. Okay, Libras, so that's what I have for you. Let me know in the comments if this resonated. And private readings are open, so you can reach out to me. Also, guys, you can follow me on Instagram. It's Mishi Blue Tarot Official. I do daily 3-card readings over there, just in case if you're interested. And that's about it. Thank you so much for watching. I shall be back again. Bye.